In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text or captions to images uploaded to your site. Whether you're trying to enhance the visual appeal of your page or provide additional context to your audience, incorporating captions can be a game changer. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, to ensure you can do this with ease. To begin, let's add the image or GIF that you want to feature on your site. Look for the plus icon on the top right bar of your screen. Once you've located it, click on it to bring up the different elements you can add to your page. From this list, choose the gallery element. This is a powerful tool that will allow you to manage how images look and feel on your site. After selecting the gallery, you'll notice a left panel appearing on your screen. This panel is where you can upload the image or GIF you want to feature. Once your image is uploaded, you have the option to adjust how it is cropped, ensuring it displays exactly as you wish. Take a moment to make any necessary adjustments to fit your aesthetic needs. Now it's time to add the caption. Head over to the captions section, where you'll be able to type the text you want to display over or under your image. This step is crucial for sharing important details or catchy one-liners that might engage or inform your audience. Be sure to consider what message you want to convey and choose your words accordingly. With your caption text in place, let's move on to styling it. At the top of your screen, find the paintbrush icon. Click on it and navigate to the Captions tab. Here you can start personalizing how your caption looks. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Style. This is where you can choose the exact positioning of your caption, whether you want it on top, bottom, or somewhere else relative to your image. Feel free to experiment with different placements to see what complements your image best. As you scroll down the menu, you'll discover additional settings for your caption. These include options for font style, size, color, and more, allowing you to fine-tune the appearance to match your site's theme or highlight certain aspects of your message. Pay attention to these details, as they play a significant role in ensuring your text is both readable and visually appealing. Once you're satisfied with your caption's style and positioning, click the Done button to finalize your settings. This confirms and applies all the adjustments you've made. There you have it, a comprehensive way to add and customize captions on your site. By following these steps, you can effortlessly enhance the storytelling aspect of your visuals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.